watching The Angle. I am Divita Singh. So let's start our bulletin with the headlines first. Raqs over Congress leader statement of Sardar Patel was with Jinnah. BJP said this is the height of sycophancy. Gurmeet Ram Rahim Singh sentenced to life imprisonment. Verdict in Ranjit murder case. Before Diwali, CM Ashok Gehlot gave a gift to the employees of Roadways. Dotasara made an attack on Narendra Modi government in Dharyawad. BJP President JP Nadda targeted the opposition parties for creating hurdles in government agendas for development, saying his party members did not only political indicators but also social indicators for the nation. Work done. In his address to the meeting of BJP National Office Bearers, Nadda referred to several welfare schemes and vaccination campaign, including providing free food grains to the poor by the Narendra Modi government at the center during the corona epidemic, and stressed that the BJP did politics. The BJP leader has now attacked the Congress leader's statement and called them a culmination of sycophancy. BJP leader Sambit Patra today surrounded Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi by holding a press conference on this statement. He said that today it has been published in the newspaper that in the CWC meeting of the Congress held 2 days ago, some questions were raised regarding Kashmir. An atmosphere of confusion was created in the meeting regarding Kashmir. During this, it was said that Sardar Patel had met Jinnah and was trying to keep Kashmir separate from India. The special CBI court of Panchkula sentenced Ram Rahim to life imprisonment. Ram Rahim got punishment in Ranjit Singh murder case. Ram Rahim is the head of Dera Sacha Sauda. Along with Ram Rahim, 5 more people were sentenced to life imprisonment. A fine of 31 lakh has also been imposed on Ram Rahim and 50,000 on 4 other convicts. Dera Mukhi Gurmeet Ram Rahim Singh has been convicted under section 302 and 120B of IPC. Convicted Gurmeet Ram Rahim Singh is already serving his sentence in jail. Ranjit Singh was assassinated on 10 July 2002. Gurmeet Ram Rahim Singh has been found guilty in this case. The FIR was registered by the CBI on 3 December 2003. The Union Kisan Morcha has called for Rail Roko Andolan today, demanding the dismissal of Union Minister Ajay Mishra regarding Lakhimpur Kheri case. In some states, farmers participated in the Rail Roko Andolan. Protesting farmers sit on the dharna on the railway track in Devi Daspura village in Amritsar, Punjab. In protest against the incident in Lakhimpur Kheri district, farmers gathered at the railway gate of Rainwal city in Rajasthan, stopped the train on the railway track and blocked the railway track, and raised slogans against the central government and demanded withdrawal of the anti-farmer black law and Lakhimpur Kheri case, demanded for the arrest and strict actions of the accused of Kheri incident. CM Ashok Gehlot took a meeting regarding DAP fertilizers and employees of Roadways. Agriculture Minister Lalchand Kataria and the officers of the department were also present. On the basis of the demand of the farmers present, the CM gave instructions about the availability of fertilizers. Along with this, the CM also took a review meeting of the Roadways. In this meeting, the CM gave a big gift to the retired employees of the Roadways. It was decided in the meeting that arrears of about 476 crores would be paid to the retired employees. Dotasara reached Dabok Airport in Udaipur for the campaigning of Dharyawad and Vallabhnagar by-elections. During this, while talking to the media, Dotasara made a verbal attack on the Narendra Modi government at the center. At the same time, took a dig at Defence Minister Rajnath Singh's remark about Veer Savarkar. Dotasara said that Mahatma Gandhi had come from South Africa in 1915. Savarkar wrote an apology in 1911. By referring to Mahatma Gandhi about this apology, Rajnath Singh is trying to belittle him. Along with this, trying to make Savarkar bigger. The Rajasthan High Court has dismissed the PIL file against the Reed paper leak case. The court has told the petitioner that he can present the petition before the single bench in the matter. Justice Govardhan and Justice Manoj Vyas gave this order on Bhagchand's PIL. During the hearing, it was said on the behalf of the state government and the Board of Secondary Education that the petitioner himself had participated in the recruitment. In such a situation, if he had any objection, he could go before the single bench. Therefore, the PIL should be dismissed. Student protest against the government regarding paper leak case of Reed and SI. Upen Yadav, the state president of the Unemployed Federation, is also fasting in the hospital. He has also refused to take treatment. It is being told that ketones of increase in his urine due to the fast. Supporters of Upen Yadav, state president of the Rajasthan Unified Federation of Unemployment, told that ketones have increased significantly in the urine of Upen Yadav and sugar level has also decreased. Due to this, his health has now come in the danger zone. He raised the question whether the government would wake up only after his death. That's all for today's video. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe our channel The Angle.